Hi everybody, this is the Presidential Tourist, back with another exciting video. I have another one of those loot crates that I purchased on sale. I guess it originally might have been, it says 20, but I suspect this was more, but I could be wrong. I actually paid $9 for this. This is a Sci-Fi Space Out, and it has different collectibles from different franchises. Star Wars, Alien, Galaxy Quest, The X-Files, The Expanse. There's one loot crate item. I'll show you. But I'll show you better when I open this bad boy up. Right here on camera. Show you the box again. And these are the items that's supposed to be in there. Let me show you them. I'm gonna break the one sticker seal. Galaxy Quest was always one of my favorite movies. Ooh, hoo, 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 hoo. Whole box of goodies. Okay. I just like opening up a box of goodies. First off, here is the ship model from The Expanse. So I won't be putting this together now. It smells nice and new. Pretty cool. Now here's the plush of the alien face hugger from Aliens. Pretty awesome. Got the graphic novel from Star Wars, which I'm definitely going to enjoy looking at. Oh, and you get this postcard thing. Special offer 20% of all online subscriptions. I'm going to do a loot crate. If I can spend the money in the future and such things, I might do that. I guess they have different ones you can join up on. I've heard of loot crate. I never bought one before. Here's the loot crate item. Pin. So it's like a little spaceship. Pretty awesome. Ah, cool. Yeah. Galaxy Quest. I love that movie. Emblem patch. That is awesome looking. I was just hoping they'd make a sequel. Unfortunately, they have not. Maybe one day. Then the card game from the X-Files. Let me make sure. Yep, that's everything. Let me open up this card game quickly. I'm interested in seeing this. Used to watch the X-Files a lot back in the day. They brought it back, but it's not the same. Alright, cool. Agent Scully, FBI. Pull these out to show you. I have no idea the rules or anything. I'll look that up more in a bit. Of course, I have to put an individual wrapper, which is not the easiest thing to open, and I don't have scissors nearby. Just give me a minute. I want to show you guys a few of these cards. Whoops, whoops. I can't get this open right away. This quit. Maybe take some pictures. So he does not want to cooperate. Should have been more prepared. Oh, got it. Ah, cool. Wait a minute, gotta make this look more fancier. Put this in. Fox Mulder. FBI agent. I have an ID, so it has to be true, right? So cool. So you have Fox Mulder and you have Dana Scully. And then different cards. Lab analysis, lights in the sky, interspecies conspiracy. And back looks like. And then you have a little, probably the rule for this game. Come on. Two players. Yep, this is the rules. Get a little rule thing. I'll open up the graphic novel so you can see at least the inside of it, so you get a good idea exactly what you're getting. I think this is pretty cool. I got a good price on it. Like I said, I haven't bought something like this before. Okay, we're at almost 6 minutes. It's not too long. An idea. Basically a comic book. That's what it is. There's the little plush, and you can take it out of its wrap so you can get a better idea. You know, it's that face hugger alien one, like, you know, that one. Look how cute that is. Definitely not as scary as the real one, is it? Of course, show you the pin or the patch. Here's a cute little spaceship pin. Then, of course, here is let me pull it out and show you. I'm not going to put it together now. If anyone really wants to see it, I can always post it to my timeline or my Facebook page for this channel. To give you an idea what it looks like. Okay, sorry, you don't have to put anything really together. Gotta be careful, a couple of pieces are really small. Looks like someone's hair was in there. Okay, I guess I could put it together right here. Basically, it's about 3, 4, 5 pieces here, back. There. Ships already together. So, it's like taller in front, lower in back. It can't be that difficult. I would think this would go here. Yep. Okay. Okay. Hope I'm not boring you guys with this too much. I didn't expect doing this, but since it's simple, at least it seemed to be. Let's see. Okay. And it has to be. I don't want to stay in there really. Oh well, maybe I'll have to do this another time. I don't want to take up too much time. I really want to stay in there. Let's I think I better do that first. Okay, I think I got it. Got it, everybody. It's pretty cool. Look at that. These are like spaceships and robots and sci-fi things. Not as cool as the Enterprise D or the Millennium Falcon, but still interesting. It's gonna look nice on the shelf. What do you think? Yeah. Of course, it was in this box. Okay. And luckily, they made it really simple. We're gonna have to too much trouble putting it together. So way to go, the Loot Crate. Okay, that is the unboxing of the Sci-Fi Space Out Loot Crate box. Picked up at Walmart, it was on sale. It was only like $9, and for that price, you get a lot of cool goodies in there, so it's definitely worth buying. You like this angle a little bit better than what I usually do. You see some like posters. Day After Tomorrow, very good movie. Of course, some of the Resident Evil ones. I have posters for, I think, all the Resident Evil movies. Maybe not the last one. I think I still got to buy that one, which I will eventually. Kind of ran out of room. I have some more framed. I'm a big Resident Evil video game franchise fan. Even though I like the movies, but they weren't as good as they could have been, I suppose. I rather wish they would have followed more along with the video game plots, which they didn't. Anyways, that's for another video. Okay, if you have any comments or questions, please put them below. First video you might have ever seen, please check out my channel. I do a lot of different stuff. So if you could please check out my channel if you like, I hope you subscribe. Thank you for everyone watching. I hope everyone has a nice day. Bye, everybody. Bye. Okay.